Well, hello everybody, it's Toni here. It is the Shackley Global Conference happening today and tomorrow, and I am on lunch break, and I am about to make one of my very favorite smoothies. Now, if you're like me and you like chocolate and you like peanut butter, you are gonna love this recipe. It's my very favorite, it's my go-to. I call it the Elvis. So there's just a couple ingredients that you need for this. And what I'm gonna do is for my base, now you can use water, you can use milk, you can use almond milk, oat milk, whatever, whatever you like for your milk. So I discovered this coconut milk, unsweetened coconut milk at Costco. I love that it's in these cartons, it travels well. It's easy to store, and so a lot of times when I'm making my smoothies, I'm reaching for this as the base. All right, so let me add, okay, now I really like to have about 1.5 cups of liquid in my smoothies. So I'm gonna add, hold on a second, I want to get a little bit of water, I forgot to get water. I'm back. Hey, as you come on, say hi. I appreciate you joining. All right, so we're making the Elvis smoothie, which is chocolate and peanut butter and a little bit of banana. And so I've added about 1 cup of unsweetened coconut milk, and then I'm thinning it out with a little bit of water. And so what I have is approximately 1.5 cups of liquid. So next, I'm gonna add a piece of banana. Hey, Tina. Hey, Patricia, nice to see you. Thanks for joining me, you guys. So I'm gonna add a little bit of banana. There we go. So let me give you a tip about bananas in smoothies. Bananas at my house tend to get ripe really fast, faster than we eat them. And so here's a tip. Take your bananas and put them on a cookie tray and cut them, I usually do about thirds. So peel them, cut them in thirds, put them on your cookie tray. Take your cookie tray and put it in a freezer. If your freezer's not that big, no problem. Get a dinner plate, put it on a dinner plate and stick it in your freezer. And then once your bananas are frozen, put them in a plastic bag, and then you have these wonderful frozen bananas to add to your smoothies. Hey, thanks, Tina. Okay, so we have 1.5 cups of liquid milk of your choice. I'm using coconut milk unsweetened. Next, I'm gonna grab this PB Fit, which is basically defatted peanut butter. Smells yummy. So there, I'm gonna do 2 scoops of this. So that's gonna be a lot of yummy peanut butter. All right, now, here's the secret ingredient, you guys. Shackley Life Shake chocolate. Now, Shackley just recently reformulated their shakes, and they taste fabulous. Okay, now what does she mean when she says they taste fabulous? Okay, think of healthy and tasting good. Think of a milkshake. I'm serious, think of a milkshake. That is how good these shakes are. And just to give you a little bit more background about it, let me see. As I look at the front of the bag, it says 20 grams of protein, 6 grams of fiber. It's got your vitamins and minerals in it, so 24 vitamins and minerals. This is non-GMO, vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, no cholesterol. It's a source of your omega-3s. And get this, it's low glycemic. And it tastes like a milkshake. All right, so let's go ahead and add some. And thank you guys for tuning in and joining me for lunch today. All right. So this bag, I've just started getting my smoothies in these big bags. This is, how many servings? This bag is 28 servings. All right, here we go. So there's one. There's two. Okay. Now, the great thing about having a smoothie is it's like really, really fast. It's fast food, it's healthy, it's portable. You can like literally make up your smoothie. You can put it in a blender bottle and take it with you. A lot of times I'm heading out, I've got errands to run, or you know me, I'm on the road traveling, and this is really great travel food. All right, time to blend. Okay, Tina, I will reach out to you and get you a price on that big bag. All right, so block your ears just for a little bit, you guys, because I'm gonna use my blender and get this all blended up for us. And I wish that you were here so that you could have some with me. And I'm gonna use this smoothie jig thing that I got at World Market. Just kind of get some of my stuff off the sides. Then blend it. Oh my gosh. So there's this place that I stop at sometimes on the way to Billings to get a milkshake. I love ice cream, you guys. And they make a smoothie they make a shake that's called the Elvis. And this tastes just like it. All right, another little blend. I'm back. I'm telling you, Patricia, if you like chocolate and you like peanut butter, you will love this. All right, guys, I think we're ready. Thanks for joining me for lunch. Okay, get your glass out. I'm gonna give you some. Okay, so here we go. Look at that. Doesn't it like look like a milkshake? Yeah, look, I have extra. Okay. Cheers. I hope that you, oh, hey Mary, you can smell it. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. Oh. I am so serious that this tastes just like a milkshake. You won't believe that it's healthy for you. All right.